Why you want to hunt on the river when you got a place like this?
Give a bunch of damn ducks on that river.
Ain't no ducks out there.
You'll find the mother shit, it ain't.
You don't think there's more ducks on private land? Well, you saw that flight of pintails night before last when we was jugging.
During the week, you got all them fucking weekend hunters coming out there.
Well, that's what it is. You gotta get out there and you gotta
hunt Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
You know, you gotta hunt places to hunt.
We're here at the Bayles compound right now with a little bird hunt. Oh, I hear him.
Wild blackbird hunt. Here you go, Drew.
Here they come. Oh, they're coming right over here. Whoop, 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 whoop. Watch his tail in.
Here you go. They're them high, motherfucker. Show me something. Get up on them.
Show me that lead, Drew. Show me that lead.
Here it comes. Here it comes. What's wrong? Right
Shoot, shoot, get this in.
Here they are, right over.
Shoot him.
Get lower legs.
You better take your shot.
Have a one. Well, you ain't embarrassing yet.
I saw feathers on that one.
All of them got feathers on.
Was that bird sponsored by Pepperidge Farms or what?